Good evening. Today is Wednesday. Time in Sydney, Australia right now is 5:28 p.m. Date is 6th of July 2022. Before I go to the chart and explain what I have done, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer. As we always say, this is only education and information side. Okay. In the name of who, I'm going to go to the chart and I explain to you guys what's happening. This morning we announced that the gold is going to go up, and the time frame is 5 minutes, and I promise in the first video when I enter to the market I'm going to announce and make the second video. As you can see, I enter to the market right now, and now we are hoping that market would go up to this level. These are the resistance, hidden resistance. Our hidden resistance and support are different than the other traders. When we find those level, it means that when market is under those lines, we call them resistance. When market is above those lines, we call them support. It doesn't mean when market hit those levels it's going to bounce back up or back down or something like that. No, these are the hidden support and resistance, and these three lines, TP1, TP2 and TP3, all the numbers has been actually written here. Someone would say, okay, if it's resistance it has to bounce back. No, these are different resistance and different support. We call them resistance, hidden resistance and hidden support. As a matter of fact, those levels are they have a gravity power to pull the market towards those levels, because there are so many pending order has been sitting here, and then these are the market makers level that they are looking to buy or to sell or get out of the trade. So therefore, we find them in the past. We call them hidden support and resistance. As you can see, we enter to the market here right now, and this surface shows us how many people are in loss or in profit. When it's red, it means loss. When it's going to go blue, it means we are in the profit. And we put this red line as a stop loss if market goes under here and close. And if I am on the computer, then I would close the trade in the loss. Then I will wait for the second opportunity for the recovery. If I'm not, when I come back, then I will decide what to do. At the moment, because it's 5:30 in Sydney and London would open very soon, and market is going to move up and down huge, and I'm not going to put a stop loss here. I know this is dangerous, but in the beginning of any market, market would volatile and going up and down, and don't want to hit the stop loss. Anyway, if in market goes under this red line, which is our support, our stop loss, then we close the trade. It has to be close, not pass. The candlestick has to actually form here fully and close, and then we decide to close the trade or continue as it is. So the target TP1, TP2 and TP3 are here, and the numbers here, the level is here. When we hit the TP1, normally we close the trade, and we're not going to go for TP2 or TP3. So in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer again. As I have said this one over and over and over, this is only education and information side, and we are not responsible for your action. If you want to trade, you have to do it on a demo account, and if you want to do it in a real account, it's on your risk. So please look after yourself and your family. As I always say, in the name of who, I'm going to close this video, and hopefully when you hit the TP1 or the stop loss, I'm going to make the third video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.